Now, your first warning forecast with meteorologist Reed Kisselback.
Talk about the timeline and impacts for what to expect Monday night into Tuesday. For Monday itself, we are actually dry for most of the day. We actually start out with some sunshine and see a steady increase in cloud cover. Snow moves in after the evening commute from about 7 o'clock to 10 p.m. coming from the southwest and moving northeast. We'll see steady snow overnight, where some spots will see snowfall rates as high as about 1 inch per hour, and this will lead to a slow, messy Tuesday morning commute. Conditions do look to gradually improve as we get into the afternoon on, as this very gradually clears on out. So with that in mind, here's a look at the snowfall forecast. As this comes in from the southwest, we're going to get a little bit of a terrain effect here. So higher elevations of the Catskills into the Mohawk Valley, even southern Adirondacks, 8 to 12 inches of snow expected. On the downslope side of the mountain, the snowfall totals drop down a little bit more, so 5 to 8. And then we go back up to 8 to 12 in some of our higher elevations of the Green Mountains and the Berkshires themselves. Low pressure is going to just clip the north here, so possibility for just 3 to 5 for easternmost Warren County and northernmost Washington County. But overall, definitely a impactful winter storm heading our way here in regards to snowfall totals. And you'll definitely want to give yourself that extra time, especially Tuesday morning, if you do have to be out on the roads. Our CDPHP first warning cam out in Catskill right now. We're sitting at 38, wind chills at 33. We actually do still have a little bit of some light snow falling across parts of the region, more so in these darker shades of blue popping up. It's very light, but it is steady at times, and this is continuing to clear out of our region. So satellite and radar over the last 3 hours has been showing that this has been pushing very slowly and steadily to our south. It's going to break apart once it pushes a little farther south, and we'll be in the clear for the overnight period, and high pressure is going to take control and give us those clear skies to start the day tomorrow. Here's a look at where our low pressure system is right now. Doesn't really look that impressive, but right over Nebraska, Kansas, starting to form up a little bit more, gathering a little bit more moisture. It's going to continue to do so overnight tonight and into the start of the day tomorrow as it approaches our region. So your hour-by-hour forecast for the day tomorrow. At 7 a.m. we start out with temperatures in the teens to around 20 degrees in some spots. Cloud cover increases through the course of the day. 7 o'clock, like we said, snow just starts to push into our region. Schoharie County, Greene County being the first spots to see that snow push in. Overnight, we become widespread, and it will fall steady and heavy at points. So at this point in time, when you see these darker shades of blue on the forecast map here, that's where we're seeing snowfall rates of about 1 inch per hour. That's where you're going to see the highest snowfall totals starting to add up. 7 a.m. as you head out the door. A couple of us actually seeing some dry patches here, but it's still going to be a slow commute. We'll have a decent amount of snow coming through overnight, and it'll still be snowing in other spots. So if your road's plowed, another roadway might not be, so still give yourself plenty of time to get on through. A little bit more widespread by noontime, and then conditions gradually improve as we get towards the evening commute on. By 11, we are finally dry with the last of that snow just clearing out of the Green Mountains and the Berkshires for us. So for the night tonight, 20 with decreasing clouds. It's still seasonally cold for this time of year. For the day tomorrow, increasing clouds. Snow develops by the evening. If you do have to do anything outside, you can get it done earlier in the day, so don't be worried about that. Highs reaching towards the mid-30s. Your 7-day planner, alert day going into effect overnight Monday into Tuesday. That does clear out by Wednesday. We are partly sunny with a high of 42. Thursday showing an opportunity for some scattered rain showers, a high of 45, and we're also watching Friday into Saturday, another opportunity for a mix of rain and snow coming our way. Highs both days sitting right towards the mid-30s.
Wow, you're busy.
Busy week for us.
All right, thanks, Reed.